Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Unong yalam barang ba jong ka Sang United Democratic Party uba med ba lingdo hakasingi palay jong ka kandai tarik ubanai jeleo arajar arpuar ula kintu yu President jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ba day satya ban syukin tho klem nongrim persya ya ka sarkar lani ya ka United Democratic Party kabaya trailang hapo ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ba kidai ki badan kti ha ka jerse bamsap klem ki sakhi ki sabut ki babiang Hagajing ya keren bat kilat patai kubor ba med ba lingdo ula kintu ya uba pala ba udai bat satingkan bahaya ladi kumunong ya lam uba syampang bat amban sulap me tang ban supen kesan ya lagi jing kento kelem ki nongrem bat kisaki ki babiang.
I don't know why such a person with that caliber as a MP of the state to pass such kind of comments. I think is very, very unfortunate, I should say. It's very sad. My request is that us as a responsible leader, don't pass any kind of comment without any kind of evidence or any kind of thing which will support your statement. I think this is very, very